My favorite holiday is New Year because it is a very special and joyful time for me and my family. It is a time when people celebrate, relax, and welcome a new beginning. I always feel excited when this holiday comes because it brings happiness and positive energy. Before the new year, my family prepares everything carefully. We clean our house to make it neat and fresh. We also decorate our home with lights and beautiful items. My parents buy food, fruits, and new clothes for everyone. I like helping my family because it makes me feel responsible and happy. On New Year's Day, I wake up early and wear my new clothes. I greet my parents and wish them good health and happiness. We smile and enjoy the moment together. Sometimes we visit our relatives and friends to celebrate. We talk, laugh, and share delicious food. It is a wonderful time to connect with people we love. During the holiday, I enjoy many activities. I watch TV programs, listen to music, and sometimes go out with my family. We may visit interesting places or eat at a restaurant. Everywhere feels lively and full of joy. People are happy, and the atmosphere is very exciting. New Year is also a time to think about the past and plan for the future. I remember what I learned during the year and think about how I can improve myself. I make new goals, such as studying harder, helping others, and becoming a better person. At night, I enjoy the beautiful lights and sometimes fireworks in the sky. They are colorful and amazing to watch. I feel grateful for everything I have and hopeful for the new year ahead. My favorite holiday is not only about fun and celebration, but also about family, love, and new opportunities. It reminds me to be thankful and to always look forward with hope. I truly enjoy this special time every year.